Okay, I'm working on the rear air from my 2001 Ford Excursion, and this is the connector for the rear section for the rear air, the line for the. And what happened was that right at the end where this side meets, and that whole tube is about $250–300. So there was a pinhole right there, and I tried to get one of those bushing connectors, and well, I couldn't get it close enough because it was too far. It was too close to the bolt. But I was able to find this from Napa. It's a Dorman part, and I'll give you the part number once I'm done. And this will then tie it here and create that seal. And then right here, I'm going to use a connector, a fitting that I bought from Amazon, and I'll cut this to length right here on this tube, and I'll put the fitting right there, and then that should hopefully hold vacuum, and I'll be able to fill it. So I'm going to cut the line and make the connection, and I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, I got a little tubing cutter on here because of this confinement, and I should be able to twist it until it comes off. Okay, until I take off that extra. So that's tightened. Okay, so there's a repair. There's my Dorman part with the new. It fit perfectly, 3/8 of an inch. And there's my union that I got from Amazon. And this is the typical union that you'll see with the ferrule and the rubber. And it's nice and good and tight. And I'll secure it once I know there's no leaks. Okay, so let's put the gauges on and see what got. All right, I got the low side and the high side connected, and hooked up to the vacuum pump, and it's pulling vacuum. Okay, so I'm gonna let this run for a while, clean out stuff, and we'll check to see if it actually holds vacuum after we're done. Okay, looks like I ran it for 45 minutes, and now I turn it off, and it's been about 10 minutes, and there's still holding a vacuum, so I think I'm pretty good. I'm gonna start charging the system up. I've got my can all ready to go, and let's start charging. Okay, I pierced the can. I'm going to open it up, and then I'm going to open it up over here a little bit so that I can bleed it out of the line so we don't introduce anything. I got a little something to push it down with, the straighter valve. There we go. Until we get a little liquid out of there. I think we're almost there. There we go. And now we can liquid charge. We'll open the low side and let's fill it up. And let the vacuum take it in. There we go. And that's where it's going. And once I get the further, then we'll start the truck up, and then we'll do it. Okay, looks like it's filling up. Gauges are moving. Let's see what we get. Okay, let's go to the next can. Pierce. And this is second pound so far. And then I'm going to bleed it again so there's no air. There we go. That's cold. Okay, and then open the low side again. There we go. And let the vacuum just take it all in. And then we'll be back, okay? Once I get it filled and started. Alright, so inside, it's depending on where I hold it, it's blowing pretty cold. If I get it a little bit closer, I think I can get it below 50. So that's working pretty good. I think I'm pretty satisfied with that. And we'll see how low she'll go, huh? Oh, there she goes. So that's pretty good. I think I'm done for the now. Thank you. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but here we go. That's the pinhole of the original union on the truck that failed. So that's where it was leaking from. This is what I originally thought. I got a Dorman line splice, 3/8 inch, which won't, you know, seal way back here so close to the flange. So this is what I got. It's a Napa Solutions part, and they had to order from the factory, and this took a long time for it to arrive before I can finish the project. But otherwise, it looks like it's a good fix. Hopefully you guys try to save some money. Take care.